Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to switch a business account to a personal Instagram. The decision to switch from a business account to a personal account or vice versa depends on individual preferences and business needs. To do the switching account process, you need to go into your Instagram account first. This will provide you the leverage to switch your business to a personal account by using a specific process. So let's get started by opening up the Instagram app on your phone. Once you get into your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now from your profile, tap on the three lines, which will take you to your account settings. And from here, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down in Settings and Privacy. You will find Business Tools and Controls. So if you are using business accounts, you need to tap on it. It will show you all the business account options. Now scroll down here and tap on Switch Account Type. By using this option, you can switch to a personal account or creator account. So if you want to switch to personal, tap on that option. And then, to confirm the process of switching, tap to Switch to Personal Account. It will take a few seconds to switch from one account to the other. And then your account will be converted successfully. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.